Hey food lovers! Welcome back to the channel. I hope all are doing good. Today, we are diving into one of South India's most irresistible dishes, spicy chicken tukka. Bursting with bold flavors, this dry-style chicken curry is the perfect combo of heat, aroma, and taste. Let us get cooking. Heat some oil in a pan. Add cinnamon or fennel seeds. Add in chopped onions. Saute until the onions turn golden brown and release that beautiful aroma. Add curry leaves and saute it. Now, stir in the ginger garlic paste and let it cook until the raw smell fades. Add chppd tomatoes and saute until it becomes soft. Add salt as needed, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon homemade Colombo milgai powder and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Mix well until everything turns into a rich, aromatic masala. Drop in the chicken pieces and add little water in it. Mix it well. Meanwhile, let us prepare pepper powder by crushing it in a mortar. Now add the freshly crushed pepper and sliced green chilies. And stir it well. Now add half teaspoon garam masala and coat them evenly with the masala. Cook on medium heat, letting the chicken absorb all those spices. No shortcuts here, patience is the secret ingredient. As the chicken cooks, it releases its own juices. Keep sauteing until the masala thickens and the oil separates. That is when you know your tukka is reaching perfection. The texture should be dry, spicy, and irresistibly glossy. And there's spicy chicken chukka, ready to serve with hot parota, rice, or even just as a starter. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.